building up of hope. Every day, the sufferings that we experience is building up of hope, shaping, forming us to hope on to the Lord. Not with what we have, not with what we know, not sa ating mga friends, sa ating mga, may kaibigan akong sobrang yaman. Isang sabi ko lang, mayroon ng 1 million, wala pang 1 million, ibibigay agad. Not on those people. Di ba? At tayo mga Pilipino, isa sa mga anchor ng hope natin is academics. Alam mo yun? Yung anak ko, magkakaroon talaga magandang kinabukasan. Pag-asa ko namin, bakit? Summa cum laude cum laude. Paano lang kami? Diba? Yung anak ko, grabe, flat 1 lahat ng grade. Nakatayo, kandila. So, paano na lang yung grades namin nakaluhod? Wala na kami pag-asa. Di ba?
5.
Sa mga nanay na yung mga grades ng anak nyo nakaluhod, huwag kayong mag-alala, tatayong yan. If God can resurrect dead people, He is able to resurrect that way. Kaya nga ni God, binuhay niya ulit si Lazarus, di ba? Grades mo pa. So meaning, it doesn't with your grades. Di ba? Kahit sobrang, yung ikaw pa pinaka-lowest, at sabi mo naman ng professor natin, don't worry, numbers will never dictate your future. Yes, according to people na may mga maliit na grade. Pero sa mga top performing, talagang kailangan. Kasi ito yung pag-asa namin, hope namin ito. Pero after college, then they will know the sufferings. Na hindi pala sa ikay summa cum laude, maya cum laude, or ikay lowest, pareha kayo mag-suffer. You will experience the same traffic, you will experience the same pollution, you will experience the same in the world. The hardships in the world. Just as the rain will fall down both to the righteous and the unrighteous, so as the sufferings of the world, then we will experience sufferings both to the righteous and to the unrighteous, to the believers and to the non-believers. But, sabi ni Paul, the sufferings that we have now is not worth comparing to the future glory, to the full consummation, to the fulfillment of God's promise to the church. For the creation awaits with eager longing. Di ba? Yung lahat daw ng nilikha ng Panginoon is waiting for it to happen. Kasama tayo doon. We are being created in the image and likeness of God. So we are longing for it to happen.